Most people aren't broke because they're lazy. They're broke because they're making money mistakes they don't even see. These 10 traps silently drain your wealth, sabotage your future, and feel totally normal. If you want to stop surviving and start building real freedom, watch closely. Would you drive across the country without GPS? Of course not. Yet most people navigate life without a financial plan. They earn, spend, hope, and repeat. Without a budget, your money has no mission. It's like hiring employees and giving them no job description. Chaos is guaranteed. A financial map isn't about restriction. It's about direction. It tells your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. And here's the psychological trap. People avoid budgeting because they fear what they'll see. But clarity is power. Start with a simple monthly budget. Track income, expenses, savings goals. Use apps like YNAB, Mint, or even a spreadsheet. The goal isn't perfection, it's control. Because when you know your numbers, you control your future. And when you don't, your future controls you. High income feels powerful, but it's not the same as wealth. You can earn $10,000 a month and still be broke if you spend $11,000. Wealth isn't flashy, it's quiet. It's built in the background, not broadcasted on Instagram. The real scoreboard is your net worth. Assets minus liabilities. That's what determines financial freedom. Here's the trap. People chase income thinking it will solve everything. But without discipline, more money just means more expensive mistakes. Track your net worth monthly. Watch it grow. Celebrate progress because income is temporary. Wealth is what lasts, and if you don't know the difference, you'll spend your life chasing paychecks instead of building freedom. Compound interest is the closest thing to financial magic. It's money that earns money on autopilot. But here's the catch. It only works if you start early. Waiting until you're ready costs you thousands. Every year you delay investing, you're not just losing money, you're losing time. Let's say you invest $200 a month starting at age 25. By 65, you could have over $500,000. Start at 35? You'll have less than half. The earlier you start, the less you need to invest. That's the power of time. The psychological trap? We think small amounts don't matter, but compound interest turns small into unstoppable, so don't wait for the perfect moment. Start small. Start now. Because every day you delay is a day you're giving away future freedom. You got a raise? Congrats. But now you've got a bigger house, a nicer car, and somehow less money. That's lifestyle inflation. It's the silent thief that robs your future to impress the present. The more you earn, the more you spend, and the cycle never ends. Here's the trap. We think we deserve more because we earn more. But wealth isn't about what you show. It's about what you keep. Lock in your lifestyle for 2 to 3 years after any income jump. Let your savings catch up first, because if your expenses rise with your income, you're just running faster on the same treadmill, and that treadmill leads nowhere. Credit cards are like fire. Used wisely, they cook your financial meals. Used recklessly, they burn your house down. Debt isn't just numbers, it's stress, lost opportunities, and future income already spent. The average person pays hundreds, sometimes thousands, each year in interest. That's money you could have invested, saved, or used for freedom. The trap? Credit feels painless. Swipe now, worry later, but later always comes. Use credit for convenience, not consumption. Pay in full, always. And if you're already in debt, make a plan. Snowball or avalanche method. Just start. Because the longer you wait, the deeper the hole gets. Life throws curveballs, job loss, medical bills, car repairs. Without an emergency fund, one surprise can spiral into chaos. An emergency fund isn't boring, it's freedom. It's peace of mind. The trap? We think emergencies won't happen to us. Until they do, start with $1,000. Then build toward 3 to 6 months of expenses. Keep it liquid. Savings account, money market. Not stocks, Because when life hits hard, you'll be ready, and readiness is priceless. Not all advice is created equal. Just because it's viral doesn't mean it's valuable. Your financial strategy should match your goals, not someone else's lifestyle. The trap: we confuse popularity with credibility. But your money deserves better than clickbait. Before you follow advice, ask, does this fit my timeline, my risk tolerance, my values? Filter everything. Even this video, because your money deserves intentionality, not imitation. You wouldn't drive a car without learning the rules of the road. So why navigate money blind? Financial ignorance is expensive, and the tuition is paid in regret. The trap? We think money is too complicated, but complexity is often a mask for avoidance. Learn one new concept every week. Podcasts, YouTube, books. Start with basics: budgeting, debt, investing. Then go deeper, because the more you know, the more you grow. And the more you grow, the less money controls you. The best investment isn't in stocks. It's in skills, in mindset, in you. Your earning potential grows when you do. And the truth is, your income ceiling is often just a reflection of your personal growth ceiling. The trap? We spend money to escape discomfort. New gadgets, entertainment, distractions. But real wealth is built by leaning into discomfort and learning through it. Want to earn more? Learn more. Want to lead? Communicate better. Want to build something? Understand strategy, branding, psychology. Set aside a monthly budget for personal growth. Courses, books, coaching, mentorship. Even $50 a month can compound into life-changing skills because the ROI on self-development is infinite. And the sooner you invest in yourself, the sooner the world starts investing in you. There's no perfect time, only time wasted. We tell ourselves we'll start saving when we earn more. We'll invest when the market calms down. We'll launch that idea when life gets less busy. But here's the truth. Life never gets less busy. The market never feels safe. And waiting is the most expensive decision you'll ever make. The trap? Perfectionism disguised as procrastination. We wait for clarity, confidence, or certainty, but those only come after action. Every delay costs you compound growth, momentum, and confidence. Start small, start messy, just start. Because action beats perfection. Every time. And the best time to build wealth was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Avoiding these 10 mistakes won't just save you money. It'll save you years of stress, regret, and missed opportunities. Your financial future isn't built in a day, but it is built by the decisions you make today. So let's recap. Build a financial map. Know the difference between income and wealth. Respect compound interest. Resist lifestyle inflation. Use credit wisely. Build your emergency fund. Filter financial advice. Educate yourself. Invest in you, and above all, don't wait. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button, subscribe to Smart Coin Studio, and share it with someone who needs a financial wake-up call. Because wealth isn't just about numbers, it's about mindset, habits, and the courage to do things differently. Let's build wealth the smart way, one decision at a time.